Let's now try to use the inverse matrix formula to find the inverse of matrix A. We need to find its determinant, and then we need to calculate its 9 cofactors. So let's try to do the determinant first, find the determinant. So let's look at the determinant. We are going to use a combination of row operations and also cofactor expansion to find the determinant. And we see this is 1, so we're going to use this one to eliminate -1 and 1 over here. So by the rule we have over here, if we add a multiple to another row, the determinant is not going to be changed. So we have 1, -1, -1. And add the first row to the second row, we have 0 and 1 and 2 over here. Now if we multiply -1 and add to the third row, we have 0 over here and 2 over here, and then we have 5 over here. All right, and then we expand it along the first column. So this is going to be simply equal to 1 times this smaller size determinant 1, 2, and 3, 2, 5. Let's put 1 over here. Okay, and that would be 5 minus 4, and the determinant is exactly 1. Okay. Now we're going to calculate cofactors. First, let's look at C11. So C11 means we're going to remove the first row and first column, and we find the determinant is going to be 2, 3, 1, 4. So we will have 8 minus 3, that's going to be 5. And keep going. Remember, C12 has a negative sign. And then we have remove the first row, second column, we have -1 and 3 and 1 and 4. And then we will have 7. Okay. And continue, we have C13 is going to be equal to -1, 2, and then 1, 1 over here. And we end up with -3. Okay. So now we finished first row. Let's do the second row, and we have C21. The cofactor of A21 is going to be again negative sign, remember, and then we have -1, -1, and then we have 1, 4 over here, and we have the value 3. Okay, and C22 is equal to C22, we have positive sign, and we have 1, -1, and 1 and 4. And that's going to be 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. Okay, and we do C23 is equal to negative again. Now we have 1, -1, 1, 1 here, and that's going to be -2. Now we have the last rows. Cofactors C31 is going to be equal to -1, -1, 2, and 3. That will give us -3 plus 2 is going to be -1. Okay, C32, we will have again negative sign because we have plus minus, the signs alternate, so we have -1, 3 over here, and that will give us -4. Okay, and then we have the last one, C33. It has a positive sign, and we have 1, -1, -1, 2 over here. So that's going to be 2 minus 1, so it's going to be 1. Okay, so now we are ready. Since determinant is simply 1, so we have A inverse. Okay, we're going to copy the rows, but in the column way because it's transposed. So what do we have over here is 5, 7, negative 3. 5, 7, negative 3. And then second column, 3, 5, negative 2. 3, 5, negative 2. Last column, negative 1, negative 4, and 1. And that is the inverse of this matrix A.